Okay, this is part 5 of our Premiere series, just covering the absolute most fundamental aspects of Premiere, just enough to get you through your skills test. So what we've done so far is we've edited a couple of clips, trimmed them up so that they have a tag in the beginning and the end, lined them up on our timeline, added graphics above them, and we've added transitions in the form of cross dissolves and dip to blacks or dips to black on the timeline. And now we're going to throw in our audio. So down here in our clips or our bins, we have one audio file right here. And so what we're going to do is just drag that down here to our audio layer. And you can see that this clip has sort of been trimmed to fit into this assignment. So it's pretty easy to work with. It just kind of tails off on its own there. And what you're seeing, we can actually drag this little divider down here to get a better look at our audio. So these are the actual waveforms associated with the audio. And you can see one is a left channel and the other one is a right channel. And you can see toward the end, it kind of fades out. All right, so now the fun thing is if you play the playback head or scrub the playback head back and forth, you can hear that audio. So why don't we go ahead and move the playback head all the way to the beginning and hit play, and we can listen to this, unfortunately, pretty horrible music. And that's pretty much it. So that one fits right back in there. The volume comes in at a decent level for us, so we're not going to go over the basics of kind of editing the audio levels or putting audio transitions in there or anything. This essentially is going to be what's required in your skills test, is everything that you see here. Now, the only thing left to do is to export the files. So in our next video, part 6, I believe, we're going to go ahead and go through the very simplified export procedure that we use for this test. So stay tuned, and we'll get to that in a bit.